Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna turn a pineapple into a bowl. In the last video someone asked me how did I do it, and I had the video already, so I decided to just post it. I cut a square in the middle, then I cut a few diagonal lines, then one vertical line in the middle, or two or three. You can do whatever you want to make it more easier for you. Okay, after that I use a spoon to pry out the middle and take them out. Take each pieces out one by one. Yeah, simple. After doing that, we use a spoon to scrape out the excess on the side so we can have a deeper bowl. Yeah, and that's basically it. Yeah guys, that's basically it. Nice and clean. You add anything you want to add in it.